Okay, here we are in layout, and the first thing we'll do is we'll load up our character that we just made. Get it centered in the view. We'll set up a quick light setup. Light up our plugin. And we'll set IK arms and legs. We'll turn X-ray bones on. And there we are, we've pretty much done it. Now these tools are my personal rigging tools. Now they're made to get rid of all the boring stuff done when you have to rig a character. All the IK setup, everything's done for you. But a plugin can't rig a character for you. It's a natural process, and you need to do a fair bit of customizing for each character as you need it. There's a few things that I'm going to do with this character because it's a high polygon character. I'll turn fast bones on, and I'd probably turn in the inverse distance to 8. That's mainly just because it's high polygon. Now if I was doing a cartoon character, I would literally probably delete a lot of these hold bones because I just don't need them. Mainly they're there to control all the points and polygons involved in this poser character. Where a toon rig, you've got a toon model, you've got less points and less polygons to deal with, so the bones that are there will do the job fine. Okay, first thing we'll do is we'll just go to frame 10 and we'll put it in and we'll move these legs around and arms and just see exactly what needs to be done when it comes to fine tuning. We'll have a close look at this hip area. Now, first thing I see there is just maybe the knee needs to be done, so we'll just get some joint compensation for there. We'll go 150 there. Yeah, that's alright. We could also do some joint compensation for the hip there. We don't need to really do too much. We can lower this strength here down to 50, make that a little bit smoother, and that's sort of basically got it there. Now we'll go up to the arm, and we'll see what we have to do here. Now if we're looking at that arm, we can see that we need to work on that joint. For this one here, we might just whack in some joint compensation there. We might do 150 on that one. Yep. Let's improve that joint a lot. Rotate to a more natural position, and that looks better. Now we'll raise it above in the air a bit. Test that. Now we're raising it, of course, we're raising the arm above that. We've got shoulder movement, so we've got to check that out. That looks actually not bad the way it is there. You can just turn that bone off and see exactly what it's doing there. You can, if you want to have a little bit of that effect, you can reduce that down, make it down about 5, and then you see you've got a different control over it. Now if we go 25, you go see again a different amount of control. You can also add bones in model if you want to do now, if the joint's still not right for you. We've got this crutch bone in here. Now we can turn that off completely, or we can turn it on and just bring it down to 1 or 5, and that should give us another set of controls in there. That's pretty much what I do when I'm testing the rigs. This one's pretty much done for what it is. We can keep playing with it, keep working and seeing how the joints work. What I see right now, these poser characters are mainly background characters, so this one will be working fine to go straight into animation for me. We've got our eye control working. I would now basically just hide off all the bones, and we're ready for animation. Next lesson I'll do some multi-character setup, and I'll see you in that one.